Hello, my lovely Gemini. My name is KK, and today I'm going to be doing a love reading for you guys for the month of November 2020. Gemini, I will be doing a love reading for how your person feels about you and how you feel about this person. Gemini, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back. I'll be reading for the sign, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Guys, if this is not your reading, please don't try to let it fit. Maybe next time it will be your reading. Gemini also wants to apologize for not uploading a video for you guys last week. I had a family emergency that I had to deal with. But you know what they said, it's better late than never. So first I'll be dealing with all your person feels about you and all your fears about this connection with this person. Gemini, you could be dealing with any Sagittarius. You could be dealing with a Leo, Cancer, Pisces, a Virgo as well. Let's get into your reading. Gemini, I believe that the person that you're dealing with feels that they want to commit to you. Gemini, they feel they would like to have a victory with you, but they're also feeling fed up, Gemini, as well, because they feel like you're not putting enough effort into this relationship, and they also feel, Gemini, that you're juggling them with someone else, that you have someone else into your life. I believe that this person that you're dealing with, Gemini, they feel that they would love to take a leap of faith with you, Gemini, but they're trying to be strong and not reach out to you, not call you, not text you, Gemini, because they feel hurt by you. They feel that you're seeing someone and this hurts them, Gemini. That's how they feel, and they feel hurt by you, and they feel like it's your fault why they're not reaching out to you. And I also believe that this relationship, for some of you, maybe come to an end, and for some of you, I do believe that they feel that the relationship is coming to an end because you have someone else into your life. Gemini, I do feel that how you feel about this person, that you're thinking a lot about them, and this causes you not to sleep, Gemini. I do believe that you want to work on the connection with this person. I do believe that you want to put in the work into this relationship because you see this person to be a very nurturing person. You feel this person understands you. This person is very kind-hearted. This person is the one who really gets you. I do believe that you can relate to all this person's feeling. Gemini, I do believe that you're not a person who use your heart to think. You use your head. You think from a more logic point about this relationship. And I do believe that you have been hurt in relationship as well. And that's why maybe it's causing this problem for you and this person. I do believe that you're trying to have a victory with this person, Gemini, that I feel like you want to have a victory with this person, that you will be doing some travel towards in this person to fix the connection with this person, because I do believe you see this person as someone you could have a stable relationship. Gemini, I do believe that you care about this person, and I do believe that you feel you could have a stable relationship, something firm with this person, Gemini, that you could start a family, you could have a house with this person, and maybe get a kids, a dog with this person. I do believe that you see this person as one you could have something stable with, you could have stability in your love life with, Gemini. I also feel like you will be communicating with this person, Gemini. I feel like you want to reach out to this person, you want to communicate with this person, Gemini. I also feel the person that you're dealing with, think it's time for them to make a decision whether to continue to talk to you, Gemini, for some of you, or to end this relationship. But I also have a soul come of this reading, Gemini, that you're going to be more nurtured when it comes to this relationship, that you're going to be working on the connection with this person, you're going to be more nurturing when it comes to this relationship with this person, Gemini. You're going to be more soft and more gentle with this person because you understand why this person is being like this. You understand why this person is withdrawing, why this person is not texting you. So Gemini, this is all I have for you today. If you like this video, you know what you have to do to follow me. God bless you. Bye.